Right, we're going to try and remove this pinion bearing without too much difficulty using the Vivo bearing separator. It's really for differentials, but I suppose it is a differential. But not really sure if it'll get the pinion off this one here. There's not much room to chisel off the bearing, but by putting this little device around here, we should be able to clinch under the rollers, under the cage here, and split this off. I don't know. Got two chances. So what we need to do, first of all, we need to put that tool onto here, but first of all, for that, we need to get that spacer in here, because this goes quite deep, I think. Now we're going to use our new Bestwell lightweight tool. I'm just going to spin this back a bit. Oh, careful now, boy. Come on. There we go. So we back that off, and it's still too tall. So we're going to try it like this and see if we can get directly onto the bearing. I don't know. I haven't done one of these before with this tool, so let's have a go. Clinch that up. Oh, this is a good tool because I can't get the really thing off here. I'll just give it a quick nip up. There we go, we don't want that falling. Right. Is that wrong? Falling. Right, let's see if it'll pull that bearing off. Oh. Might need a different spacer. Yeah. Just a bit too short. It has started to remove it, and remarkably it doesn't damage the bearing. You would think it would, wouldn't you? So I need something to go into there. Right, so I've put a nut under there with a big washer and a bolt on there, so that should help pull this off. Now we put that onto there, and I'll put this one onto here, like that, and then put this one onto here, like that. Put this one onto here. Well, it only takes a bit of knocking off now. There we go. That'll stop the ring from busting out. Oh, I'll tell you something. I don't half like this tool, it's so much lighter than the other. Right, let's see what it does. Ta-da! You can see how much it takes to get these off, eh? It's not as easy as you think. My God, it's got a good clip on there. If I had my other gun, the bloody clip would be down to the other end of the shot by now. There we go. And if we take this off, take this off, take this off, we should have a bearing to come off. There we go. Well, it's knackered that bearing up. It wasn't a very good fit on the bearing. You can see where it's chewed it up, but I'm not really bothered about that. We're going to put new bearings on it anyway. But it's got it off without chiseling it or anything like that. So that is Scrapunzel. That's gone in the bin. So we can put that to one side, we don't need that anymore. And then we'll get on to putting the bearing onto here. We'll clean all this lot up the bearing on and then we'll see what it's like.